Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play call recordings on your Motorola phone. First, open the phone application on your device. This is usually the green icon with a phone receiver. Once inside, you'll want to find the Recents tab, which lists all your recent calls. From there, simply find the contact whose recorded call you want to hear. After selecting the contact, you will see their call history. Look closely for a small microphone icon next to the specific call entry. This indicates a recording is available. If you're searching for an older recording, you might need to tap on History within that contact's details to see all past interactions and find the desired recording. Once you've located the recorded call, tap on it. This action will bring up the playback controls, including a prominent play button. Simply tap play to listen to your recorded conversation. You also have the convenient option to share the recording with other applications, like messaging or email, by tapping the share icon. It's important to remember that your call recordings are stored directly on your device, ensuring your privacy. The availability of this feature can vary significantly based on your geographical region and mobile carrier. Always be mindful of local laws regarding call recording, as consent requirements differ. Ensure you comply with all regulations before recording any conversation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.